Today I am going to show you how to mirror and control your mobile phone from your PC. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon for more latest updates. Let's start. First of all, open Chrome, type here SCRCPY. Go to first GitHub website. Scroll down. In Releases tab, click SCRCPY latest version. Scroll down and download SCRCPY, which is compatible for your window. After downloading, right click on the file and select extract file. Now in this folder, press Shift plus right click, select open PowerShell window here. Now pause it here and go to your mobile phone. Here we go, open mobile settings, scroll down and click about phone. Here, go to software information, find build number, click 7 times on build number, it will on developer option. Now go back and search for developer option. Now scroll down and find Wi-Fi debugging, turn it on. Click on it again. Now hit the last option, which is pair device with pairing code. Now here is IP address with port and pairing code. Don't turn your mobile off. Now in PowerShell, press space, type /adb pair your IP address with port and click enter. Now enter here pairing code. Now your mobile is connected. Just press space, type /SCRCPY and hit enter. You can see your mobile is now successfully mirroring. You can also control it with mouse. My Wi-Fi is slow, that's why it's lagging. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe my channel for more content like this.